So, yeah, I hope write a new story with you for a. I hope write a new. What store you mean? Mm-mm. I kiss my son when he go to sleep. Before I sleep. Loving mother with my son. I will join your membership. Let me know what type of video. I will make my good videos on my member. I promise. Because some of my membership videos I already deleted. My Lego challenge because my channel was demonetized, so I cleaned. So I make another new one for my video on my membership. It's my baby type of content. Do something like sexy content like Lego challenge, bathing challenge, story, sorry. Story, what's I story? I already story. I Philippines in Mindanao. Something like in Dipolog City near. I help what? Help what, guys? It's so delicious. Price a little bit, but how you can reduce price a little bit, but bit high can you reduce the price? No, which is affordable, very affordable. In summertime you wear like this. Yeah, yeah. Because I feel warm when I wear t-shirts. This is my normal clothes. If we, if we build a new story together, we finish this the video. What story you mean? Hi to my 92 viewers. Good evening. Fit news. I have my fits. It's my fits. Fit. Hello, Jebson Fernando. Jeb, hi.